Today we're going to make chia seed pudding. So just a little history behind chia seeds. Chia seeds is actually a plant that is commonly found in the Central American region. It has been used by the Mayan culture along with the Aztec culture. Chia seeds are very beneficial because for every 2 tablespoons, there's a lot of fiber, a lot of protein, along with fat. So one of the big benefits of chia seeds is their fat content. So chia seeds have about 8 grams of fat for every 2 tablespoons. Of this fat, more than 50% of it is actually omega-3s. So as we discussed previously, omega-3 is really beneficial for being an anti-inflammatory, but then also help to support the brain. Also, chia seeds are going to be high in protein content. So it's about 4 grams of protein in every 2 tablespoons, along with 8 grams of fiber for every 2 tablespoons as well. One of the issues in the common standard American diet is that we actually lack a lot of fiber content. So by eating more chia seeds, that can help naturally raise the amount of fiber we actually consume in our diet. So what do you need to make chia seed pudding? You're going to need chia seeds. You're going to need some type of liquid, typically like an alternative milk source. So you can use, we have almond, you can use oat milk, you can use cashew milk, you can use water. It tastes better with more of a milky type of liquid versus just plain water. We also use like spices to help kind of give it a little flavor. So cinnamon and nutmeg are really potent anti-inflammatory spices. So along with adding the chia seeds, which are themselves anti-inflammatory, you can add the cinnamon and the nutmeg to add more of a compounding anti-inflammatory effect. You can also make chia seed puddings with different fruits, so blackberries, strawberries, raspberries, etc. And this will also give a different profile and even a little bit more of a sweeter profile as well. In order to make chia seed pudding, the first ingredient you need is chia seeds, okay? So you need about 1/4 cup of chia seeds. So this will give you a couple of servings of chia seed pudding. The next ingredient you need is 1 cup of alternative milk. So today we're going to use almond milk. When it comes to the milk, some people like their chia seed pudding to be thick and some people like their chia seed pudding to be a little bit more on the liquidy end. We like ours to be right in between. So you need 1 cup of milk. So now you're just going to stir your chia seeds to make sure they're becoming coated in the milk. And what you'll start to see is that they'll start to form a very gelatinous outer layer. And the longer it sits in the liquid, it will actually become thicker and thicker. So you'll just let it sit for about an hour or 2. Now, we're going to add in our spices. So today we're using cinnamon and nutmeg. So you're going to use about approximately a teaspoon of both of them. Also, this is going to be based on preference. If you want yours a little bit more potent, use more. If you want it less potent, use less. And next you want to just stir it all together. And if you're someone that like a little bit of a sweetness to it, you could add things like stevia, like a powder to it, or erythritol, and they'll add a little bit of a sweetness. But then also if you're using fruits, that will also add a natural level of sweetness to it. Now we're going to place it in the fridge for about an hour, and after that it will be ready to eat.